फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज वाटर। व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज वाटर। आपको पर क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए 5 सेकंड मिलेंगे और आपको आंसर करना है। ऑप्शन सी 60%। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बोन्स इन ह्यूमन बॉडी। विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बोन्स इन ह्यूमन बॉडी। Right answer is option D, steps. Next question is, which is the longest bone in human body? Which is the longest bone in human body? Option C, femur. Next question is, which is the strongest bone in human body? Which is the strongest bone in human body? Right answer is option C, femur. Next question is, which is the weakest bone in human body? Which is the weakest bone in human body? Right answer is option B, clavicle. Next question is, which is the largest external organ of human body? Which is the largest external organ of human body? Right answer is option C, skin. Next question is, which is the largest internal organ of human body? Which is the largest internal organ of human body? Right answer is option C, liver. Next question is, total number of bones in human body. Total number of bones in human body. Right answer is option B, 206. Next question is, total number of bones in newborn baby. Total number of bones in newborn baby. Right answer is option A, 300. Next question is, total number of bones found in skull. Total number of bones found in skull. Right answer is option B, 8.